Hey, this is Elaine with Sweet Stampin', and in this video I'm going to show you some fun ways to punch your designer series paper with the Pick of the Patch bundle. All right, here is my designer series paper pumpkin card, and it's super easy to make. You're just going to use your punch from the Pick of the Patch bundle, and you're going to punch out some paper from the Inked Botanicals designer series paper. And I did 3 different designs, but just to show you, I wanted to just do like one of each. So you're gonna cut strips of whatever pumpkin you want and then punch those out. And then you can use a smaller piece of paper or just like leftover to punch out the leaves. So I already have my pumpkins and leaves and stem punched out. And so I'm just going to stamp my sentiment in Lost Lagoon. Now I'm going to glue my leaves to my pumpkins with just a little bit of glue. I'm just going to pop these pumpkins on dimensionals. And as for the rest of the card, I have a pool party base, a 5 1/4 by 4 piece of Lost Lagoon, and then 2 pieces of 5 1/8 by 2 of the Inked Botanicals designer series paper, and then 1 strip of Lost Lagoon, say 6 inches to wrap around. And the last little thing I want to do to finish off the card is I want to add some of these speckled dots. They are currently out of stock, but they will be back in stock soon. So I think I'm going to do these tan ones. Or should I do those? Those are kind of cool. And that is my designer series paper pumpkin card. You can receive this card kit for just $5 shipping when you place a $50 order using my current host code. So go to my website and check it out.